back, bath and shower tile ideas part 2. Before I show you the final product, let's quickly run some video clips of this build. Alright guys, the tile in the shower is complete. What we do now is simple. We're going to prep and grout the shower, also install the floor tile before we install the curb for the shower. And here is the floor tile. So we have decorative hexagon tiles here, porcelain. So we have to make sure to install at a random pattern so that we don't have two of the same tiles butting up to one another. But again, hexagon, we're going to base it off of the shower curb, work our way over, install this 20 square foot floor. Here we go. Well, here we are, guys, installing the very final last piece of this shower, the quartz for the shower curb. Here we go. And here we are, let's show you the final product. We start with the floor. Installed was a decorative octagon porcelain tile, 6 different prints. We installed all at a random pattern here. The floor turned out great. We did use the tile leveling system on this, Landberg. Very flat, 0 lippage. We also installed this blue vanity and top, as well as chrome faucet. Mirror, as well as a decorative light here. Now let's take a look at the shower. The shower turned out absolutely beautiful. 3x5 ceramic tile. These are supposed to resemble 3x5 handmade subway tiles. All of these walls are plumb, square, and level. Let's start with the valve wall. We installed a new valve and trim kit, raised the shower head, installed a new shower head. This valve included a diverter. There's our handheld. Also installed a grab bar to the left. Let's swing over to the opposite wall, where our recessed shampoo niche is installed. It is trimmed out with your pencil trim here, miters at the top. We have our layout flowing through the niche and installed a double shelf system here. This is quartz, and the niche turned out very clean. Let's now swing down to the shower pan. Installed for the pan, penny mosaic sheeted ceramic. Prism grout was used. This pan is all sealed up. We have a Schluter drain kit and a Schluter drain grate. It's a subtle floral design. Looks modern, looks very clean. Guys, for bath and shower tile ideas, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see future bath and shower tile idea videos, don't forget to tap that subscribe button down there. If you want to help my channel out, the best way to do that is to tap the thumbs up button down there, and I'll see you guys on the next one.